A cryogenically frozen human brain works perfectly fine when thawed 18 months later. What the heck does that mean? Cryogenics programs have been around since around the 1960s, where people have immersed their bodies in liquid nitrogen in hopes of waking up at a future date when medical technology has advanced. But it still remains mostly out of reach. In fact, the bodies of people who have been cryogenically frozen have started to degrade. This is through a combination of just poor storage and the human's body's intolerance to being frozen. I would say in every single case of someone who has cryogenically frozen their body, they're not going to wake up. However, that doesn't mean we won't get there soon. There's many animals that can be entirely frozen and then wake up in the next season when they thaw. That's because they have bioprotectants naturally in their bodies. And by borrowing these animals' techniques, we're working on making better cryoprotectants for humans. And we've done it with the brain organoids. You know, the tiny human brains that we can grow in jars. Growing tiny, fully functional human brains is really advancing neurological research. In this case, they flooded it with the cryoprotectant and then revived it, and it suffered no damage. At least no noticeable damage. While a future where we can really just walk into a cryogenic chamber and wake up 1,000 years later is pretty far out of reach. In the next few decades, we might actually get there.